Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're diving into an important word that's all about power and control. The word of the day is authority. Let's start with the definition. Authority is a noun that means the power to make decisions or rules. It's often used to describe the ability or right someone has to give orders, make laws, or enforce rules. For example, a teacher has authority in the classroom, and governments have authority to create laws. Now, let's look at some synonyms for authority. Words like power, control, command, and jurisdiction are often used in similar contexts. For instance, you could say, the manager has complete control over the team's schedule. On the other hand, there are antonyms for authority that express the lack of power or control. Words like weakness, helplessness, or submission fit here. For example, the rebel group refused to accept the government's authority contrasts with they showed complete submission to their leader's orders. Let's explore how authority can be used in everyday life. You might hear someone say, "Who gave you the authority to change the rules?" Or, "The police have the authority to enforce the law." It's also common in phrases like challenge authority, which means to question someone's power or decisions, or figure of authority, which refers to a person in charge, like a boss or a principal. Here are a few sentences that use authority in context. The principal has the authority to decide whether the school will remain open during the storm. Parents often have authority over decisions that affect their children. The judge exercised her authority to settle the dispute. That's all for today's word. To recap, we explored the word authority, which means the power to make decisions or rules. We talked about its synonyms, like power and control, and its antonyms, such as weakness and submission. Thanks so much for tuning in to Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show. And here's a fun challenge for you. Try using authority in your own sentence and share it with us in the comments. I'd love to hear your creative examples.
See you next time.